Getting this top deck bolted down into place is important for the next part that I'm going to be working on after this. After I'm done with this, I'm going to be building the through hull exhaust, which you'll see coming up in a little bit. And it is important that the hull is exactly where it's going to be when it's all bolted down when I start building the through hull exhaust. Once I get all of my holes drilled, I am going to pull the top deck off so I can install my riv nuts. Then I can get the top deck put back on and bolt it all together and start on my through hull exhaust. I have been putting heat shielding on the parts that are going to be very close to the exhaust manifolds. So I am trying to make sure that this stuff doesn't get completely cooked. Cutting a hole in the fiberglass so that the exhaust can poke through. Then I'll be welding the exhaust tips on. Then I'm going to build a plate to cover the hull and go around the exhaust tips. I have been working on the seat, so I want to show you guys what's going on with that. This is the seat frame, and obviously I had to cut this section out, and it did take a bit of convincing to get it to clip down into place. The valve covers in this area, the bolt sticks out really far, but it is plastic, so I just ended up heating it with the torch to try to get it to bend a little bit.